Welcome to Ruler Tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to factor trinomials by using the AC method. So this method will be using this equation as a demonstration. So if you recall the quadratic formula of AC squared plus bx plus c, that is the exact same thing here. So this is going to be your A, this is going to be your B, and this is going to be your C. So the AC method, we're going to take A, which will be this number, times C. So when you multiply them together, you should get negative 90. Now, if it's a positive or negative, it won't matter too much yet. But since it's a negative, we'll know that we'll have to have a negative number in there. So now we need to find out what two numbers will multiply together to be 90, but will equal the B, which is 1. Because 1x is what our B is going to be. So we need to find what two numbers will multiply together to be negative 90, but will add up to be 1. So we'd go through this, and we know that 9 times 10 would give us 90. And if we subtract 9 from 10, we would get 1. So negative 9 times 10. We're now going to break this term up into two terms. So we're going to drop the 6x squared down, and we're going to put a negative 9x. We got the negative 9 from here, plus 10x. We got the 10 from here, minus 15. What we've done is we've broken this term up into two terms here. Because negative 9x plus 10x will give you 1x, so nothing's changed. We are now going to just factor two separate terms. We'll do the first two and then the second two. So we'll create two sets of parentheses. In the first one, we'll need something x, because x squared is going to be broken up into something x. So we know that 3x can go into 6x squared, and it can also go into 9x. So we'll put 3x outside the parentheses, and we'll put 2x inside, because 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. And we need a minus sign, because we need to create a negative 9x here, and we know that 9x is divisible by 3x, which will give us 3. We're now going to take this number and plug it in here. So we're going to write down 2x minus 3. We need to know what times 2x will give us 10x. We know that 5 times 2 will give us 10, and 5 times negative 3 will also give us 15. Now we're partially done. Now we need to put 3x and 5 in their own sets of parentheses. 3x plus 5. Then you'll put another set of parentheses, and you'll put either this number or this number. They should both be the same. So we'll put 2x minus 3. Now we factored the trinomial, and now if they want two separate x answers, you would take this and set equal to 0. So do 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, and you would solve it. So you subtract 5 on both sides, which would give you 3x is equal to negative 5, and you divide both sides by 3, and you'd get x is equal to negative 5/3. And you do the same thing with this number. So you take 2x minus 3 and set it equal to 0. Add 3 on both sides. You get 2x is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 2. And you get x is equal to 3/2. So that's how to factor a trinomial by using the AC method. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.